Now, before I get into that review, I know what it takes to get abs. All right, I don't want to sound like too cocky or anything, but I know what it takes. All right, so if you're interested in something that's gonna help you get those abs that you're looking for, or lose the belly fat and all that, then Truth About Abs is definitely something you want to read and understand and really get down. Okay, does it work? It really does. You just have to apply the knowledge that's in the book, and you're guaranteed to see good results. Now, who is this for? If you're the type of person that thinks that doing 1,000 sit-ups each night and then drinking vitamin water is going to help you get the abs you're looking for, then you're totally wrong, and you definitely need to read this book. I would also recommend this book to anybody who's even a personal trainer. You're going to learn so much from this book. To me, this is going to be like an introduction to fitness, or an introduction to what really gets real results in the gym. So if you're interested in a product like Truth About Abs, make no mistake, Truth About Abs is a
the truth about abs until I finally got that killer six-pack. Not only that, it allowed me to realize what I was doing wrong the entire time. And I also realized that getting a six-pack is pretty simple, and it's definitely not rocket science like I was making it out to be. And let me tell you, the confidence that came along with having a six-pack, I can't tell you how many girls came up to me and say, "Hey, I've never seen a guy with abs before, can I rub them?" Yeah, of course you can, why did I care, It was good to me. So, if you want that killer six-pack, you want that confidence to go along with it, I highly recommend you check out The Truth About Abs. The link is in the description below. But first, I want to remind you, The Truth About Abs is not for everyone. If you expect to get this awesome six-pack, you want to lose all this body fat, then sitting on the couch and not doing anything about it is not going to get you those abs. Alright? I tried doing that myself, right? And it doesn't work. It's going to take exercise, and you're going to need to change some of the foods that you're eating. But if you're dedicated to really getting rid of that stubborn body fat, you want that killer six-pack and that confidence to go along with it, then I highly recommend.
I'm fairly happy about how my body looks, fairly muscular. I've never managed to get my abs looking just the way that I wanted them to look. This was until recently. It's the same old score with many guys. They want that six-pack abs, and I just think they look cool. Anyway, I decided to check out some info products online and try to find something that would help me to overcome my difficulty. I bought one product, and sure enough, in a relatively short time span, I was really managing to achieve the ripped look. Now, there's little doubt that this info product offers the best abs workout around. After all, I've tried so many different methods, and as I mentioned, until now, nothing worked for me. If you want six-pack abs and want to learn about the best ab workout, click the link below.
And today I'm going to show you how to create your own six-pack diet. Very simple, very straight to the point. Anyone can do this. Alright? So, what you want to do, number one. Oh, and did I mention that you can actually keep your same workout routine, maybe with no cardio, just add some high-intensity interval training once or twice a week, and you'll burn fat, alright, on this diet. So, you're going to take 14, multiply it by your body weight. The number that you get, that's going to be the amount of calories that you're going to consume on a daily basis. Now, you're going to break that down into 6 meals. So, whatever number you get, divide it by 6 and see what that number comes out to be. And that's the amount of calories that you're going to consume per meal. Alright, that's just going to simplify it. So once you've done that, now the tricky part comes in. It's not really tricky, but in the morning, for your first meal, you're only going to have your fats and your proteins. No carbohydrates.